In the Media Management Connector for Adobe Creative Cloud, you can import a new Adobe Creative Cloud asset into Media Management. Here's how. Note that how you import assets might differ depending on the Adobe product that you're using. For this video, we'll use InDesign. To begin, save the document on your computer. Then go to the Media Management folder where you want to import the document. On the Extension panel header bar, click Import Asset. If your InDesign document contains linked assets that are not yet in Media Management, you can import these files separately. For now, we'll focus on the InDesign document. Choose a property template to apply pre-configured metadata fields to the new asset. If you want to change the target folder of the import, click Choose Folder. To import a PDF of the document, select Including PDF Rendition, then choose a PDF preset. Media Management will use the PDF as the asset preview. The available PDF presets depend on your configuration in your Adobe product. You can also leave a comment. On the Metadata tab, you can define metadata for the imported asset. On the Security tab, assign a security policy to determine the level of access for the asset. Finally, click Import. You can see the import status on the Extension panel status bar. If you imported any locally linked assets, you can also view the linked assets that you imported on the Relationships tab. Thank you for watching.